Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill here with your March 2020 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month. It includes 2 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and your embellishments. So it's the smaller of our 2 kits. If you want more products, then check out the flavors of the month. There'll be links at the end. So this month, it's all about spring and florals, and these collections are just gorgeous. So from My Mind's Eye, we have Gingham Gardens, and from Pink Paisley and Paige Evans, we have the Bloom Street collection. So we're going to take a closer look at each one of these, and I know you're going to love them and want them. So the first collection, Gingham Gardens, from My Mind's Eye, you're going to start with 2 sheets of smoke cardstock and 1 sheet of Jetstream. Your pattern paper is this beautiful floral. Just look at those colors in that. And the back is a pink plaid design. This one is called Savannah. Then we have another big checked plaid. And the back has pinstripe ticking kind of with little dots. This one is called Charlotte. Then we have another floral. This one's a lot larger and it's on that light blue background. They're just gorgeous. And the back is another stripe in that kind of camel brown and off-white. So another look at the patterned paper. This one was called Amanda. So I love the names on this, all the little southern names. Is that not gorgeous? For your embellishments, you're going to get 1/2 of the chipboard stickers. So these will vary among the kits, but this is the one I got. It's got some labels and some big words you could use for titles, some florals. It's just gorgeous. So that is Gingham Gardens from My Mind's Eye. Our next collection, Bloom Street, from Pink Paisley, and it's designed by Paige Evans. So it is just very typical of her designs, the beautiful florals, the soft colors, just gorgeous. So you're going to start with 1 sheet of bubblegum cardstock, 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your patterned paper is this beautiful floral. This one is paper number 12. These florals are far enough apart you could fussy cut some of these for embellishments or use it as it is. It's just beautiful. The back is a green design and there's little triangles in a white and kind of a blue color. Paper number 6 is this rainbow design of hearts and the different sizes. It's just gorgeous. Love this paper. This would be perfect for a background. The back has an aqua chevron. And then paper number 4, we have all of these words about spring, flower, bloom, together, love, arise and shine, celebrate. So just lots of uplifting words in kind of that rainbow color and the pink hearts in between. The back are the little seedling leaves in green on that blue. And you'll notice all 3 of these have the full branding strips, so you get a little bit of extra print. So one more look at the pattern paper, and then all kinds of embellishments. So you're going to receive a 1/6 pack of the ephemera, so these are these larger pieces. All of this will vary among the kits. You're also going to get a 1/6 pack of the floral ephemera pieces, so there'll be all different kinds of florals that kind of match what's in the paper. You're going to get some enamel shapes. So again, those will vary. You got the hearts and the rainbow color. And a 1/6 pack of the puffy stickers. So lots of little words that you could use for titles or subtitles. So I know you're going to have fun this month using all of these beautiful collections. Don't forget, with your Double Shot Kit, you also receive recipe cards for each one of the collections for a double page layout designed by the design team. They'll give you cutting and assembly instructions and a full color photograph of the finished layout, so you'll have inspiration right from the get-go. Be sure to come on over to the Facebook group and see what the design teams created with their kits, as well as the other subscribers. And check out all the other kits available in the store. There'll be links below. Check out some other videos of the kits here at the end. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.